welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to take you on a shop along with me. Guys, I always love to change my home, and you know, it's holiday season. I already did a video decor for fall, but guys, I always change sometime in time because whenever I have my day off, so that's what I do, change my home, bring other decor just to create more videos and to give you more ideas, guys. So as you can see, my entryway, so it's really nice the way it is right now, but I want other things so I can enhance it and then just make it more beautiful. And you know, I'm going to see at Burlington because I need some beautiful branches to see if I can have something new to add. I don't want to spend too much money, but I just want to see what they have for this fall season, because last year I didn't shop at all last year for the fall, and I use everything that I already have at home. But this year I just want to bring some new things, your new vibe to my home decor, because I just changed the other thing places. That's what I did last year, but this year I just want to bring something new. So guys, for that being said, I'm going to take you on a shop along with me. Alright guys, before I go out, I just want to share with you guys this beautiful bag that I received. And guys, it's very nice, as you can see. If you want to look and you cannot spend too much money, this one is a good option, because there's no difference between the original one and this one. This one is a dupe version of this bag, and guys, as you can see, it's super nice and you can't really tell. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing and keep on watching. Okay guys, as you can see, that's the way I received the package. Inside of it, you're going to see this Louis Vuitton box that hold the purse and the bag. It's really nice, the packaging, because they protect your item. And as you can see, there's no difference with the packaging. Everything is exactly the same. The products is very nice in all the details if you look closely, and the material is super good, so you can't really tell it is the dupe version of it. And guys, inside the box again, you will find a wallet, in which is I really like whenever I'm going out, so I use it. It's easy for me to just grab my wallet and go. And again, the way the packaging is very good, protects your items so from scratches or anything. So once you order yours, if you order one, so that's the way you're gonna expect yours to come. I love to do unboxing just to show you guys what to expect if you order one like this. As you can see, this wallet can hold up to 12 credit cards and IDs. Guys, extra compartment if you want to put your change or other stuff. So it's a really good to have. As you can see, the material again, it's very good. It's exactly the same as the original one. And inside of it, guys, as you can see again, it's so spacious. You got compartments so you can put your change or any other stuff that you may want to put in it. Very nice to have. The link will be in the description box down below, guys. If you are looking for a look for less, so this one may be a good option for you. Don't forget to check them out. For the handbag, I like it a lot because you can put a lot of things inside of it, even if it's small, as you can see. And the material is very, very good, guys. There is no difference. Like I said, it's a dupe version, so there is no difference. The only difference is the tag price. Guys, I like it so much. So make sure to check the box down below if you're looking for a look for less. And guys, I really like everything about it. I own several designer handbags. I can really tell you when something is really legit. So this one looks so good, and it's very good to have. So if you're looking for the look for less, and there's so many ways to wear it. Most of the time I wear it this way, or if you don't want, you can hold it in your hand or arm. Whichever way you choose, it's up to you. And for the wallet, most of the time I put it inside my big bag, But you know, if you don't want to wear any big bag, you don't want to wear anything that's going, you want to go out just like that, it's good to put it in your hand, you know. Sometimes when I'm going to the shop, I just hold it like that. But if you don't want to, you can just put it in your bag and it holds a lot of things. A lot. So as you can see, guys, very nice, very convenient to have. And you can put all your IDs, all your credit cards, and all your stuff inside of this. Just looks sexy. Look at that corner. Who's gonna know? No, no, no. My first stop, guys, is Wellington. As you can see, there are so many beautiful throw blanket. Me, I love throw blanket. I always decorate my home with throw blanket. Make it easy for me when I'm watching movies or whatever. It's easy for me to just cover myself. I have so many throw blanket, guys. So many variety of styles, so many colors, guys, and I still cannot get enough. Okay, guys, this one is so nice. Gonna go home with me. It's only $10.99. This one is pretty too, but the other one is more vibrant. I like it better, so I'm going to pick another color in this one and just keep the other orange one that I put in the card. As you can see, the difference, the other one is more vibrant and I love it. I'm gonna keep it. In this one, I'm going to choose another color. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review, clean with me, DIY, home decor, shop with me. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Usually I go to more than one Burlington. Sometimes I don't find the one that I really need. By my home, the one that closest to me doesn't have that much variety of style. So sometimes I go further away, the Burlington that is a little bit further from my home. Like that, I find all the things that I need. But this one, I find a couple things, but not all I expected. And guys, I'm going to do another stop to TJ Maxx and Walmart to see if I can find some branches. But if I cannot find any branches that I like, I'm going to Hobby Lobby. No, Hobby Lobby, it's beautiful. They have so beautiful things, but they quite expensive. So I always go to the shop first if I don't see anything. So I go to Hobby Lobby if I have to. Okay, guys, I'm going to let the music play. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and make sure to come back to see all the goodies that I picked up from all the store that I went to. So make sure to watch your video till the end to see all the store, everything that they have and what I picked up for my next video. A lot of orange flowers that I put in my home, and I get them from TJ Maxx last year, but this year I didn't see none of them. and I'm glad I purchased all I could last year. And those pumpkin they have at TJ Maxx, I love them this year. They look so natural, like the real thing, and they will last you for a very long time. And as you can see, guys, they have Mr. and Mrs. I'm doing some wedding decor, so this one would be perfectly in my setting, guys, if you're looking for something like that. So make sure to check TJ Maxx because they have some decent things, but last year I found better thing in my liking. So this one maybe you're liking, but the other things that I think I could find, but I found it at TJ Maxx last year. But this one, it's Walmart, guys. Don't sleep on your local Walmart if you're looking for branches, flowers at affordable price. And guys, this Walmart doesn't have that much variety as I expected. Usually they have more selection, but right now they don't have that much selection. I hope the other Walmart a little bit further my home have more selection. And guys, still not bad. They have this new one, so I'm going to pick up some of them because they look perfect for fall season. Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.